Hello guys and welcome back. I have some few changes I want to share with you today. So first off, I've been working on animations, if I can call it that. As you can see now, the character has an idle animation, blinking with his eyes. Kinda makes him more alive. But also, when he's moving, he kinda turns to that side in a way, if you can see. Up and down. It's very subtle, but it makes him feel more alive. Right? I guess. And also, when you go into the ladder, Slimy here will be happy. And as you can see here on... oh shit. Somehow it's all black. Anyway, I changed the snail-ish things with fire elemental characters. They have animations, kinda, as well as the fire behind them, fire trail. They're blinking. And I added some new enemies. They are, I don't know what I'm supposed to call them, but they shoot stuff. So to get past them, you just have to time. They are badly placed right now, just for testing purposes. And the bats, they also have an animation. Yeah, the shooter guy also have an animation, kinda. Anyway, back to the bats. Yeah, they kind of flap their wings when they move. And these smashers, they have 3 different states. Right now they're just idle. But when it charges towards you, they will kind of close their eyes, and when they retreat back to their initial position, they kind of somehow open their eyes a little bit. Let me just show you. Yeah, kind of makes them look more, I don't know, alive again. Like the world is, yeah, not just static and boring. I added some background to the spikes, because they were kinda hard to spot sometimes. I don't think they look that good right now, but it's better than what they looked like before. And yeah, I changed the colors to the walls so they weren't exactly the same colors as the smashers. So that's that. I changed the sounds to the trapdoors, or rather added sounds. Before they used the sound that I initially used for the spikes, but whatever. I also made them a little bit smaller so they're not filling the whole tile. That way you can kind of see what's behind them. I don't know, I just thought that it looked better. Yeah, so that's nothing else here to show off, I guess. Yeah, one more thing about the player. When he dies, it doesn't look that good right now, I guess, but he's supposed to cry or something. Yeah, and by the way, I think I changed the blood effect. I changed it to red instead of just smoke. I think I had just smoke before. Anyway, I kind of crying and dead eyes, you know. So what else? I think that's it for the bigger changes, I guess. I haven't done too much. I've been busy with a lot of other stuff. But I am going to add more enemies and more traps, just to so I can start making actual levels. What? Anyway, I've also been working on some tools, so I can easier draw stuff on the screen. Let's say I'm drawing the smashers, where there's a smasher, and I can wait. What key was it? That key? My God, seriously? How did I draw? Jesus. Oh, of course. Sorry. Okay, so you can just place them around that easy, instead of having to place them like this. Then I have to, like, that's supposed to be a -8, and that's supposed to be a 3. Then now it's perfectly aligned to the grid, but that takes way too long. Instead of just selecting it and holding down my hotkey and do, easy peasy. And the same with everything else. Easy peasy. And with let me show you the smashers. I can select it and I can see where it will go. I can say, if I make another enemy similar to the smasher, I could say it can only go up. Now I can visualize it by this this line, so it's easier for me as the level designer to make the world, to place things out and know exactly what's going to happen. And I can set the distance, like as you can see, how many tiles in the directions, how many tiles in each direction is going to go, and it applies to all other directions. And that's pretty neat. As well as the bats and the fire guys. Let me draw that there, and I can place it there. And by making the bat's path, I can simply use the arrow keys. For instance, right, down, right. And if I play this game now, you can see the path. Really easy to make. And I can use backspace to remove it. I can make it go in a circle and click loop. Now it will get yellow. So again, visualize it to make sure everything's behaving as it should. I can set the trail size and stuff. Let me show you the. It's still called the slime, but wait, that was the slime behind the snail. Where the fuck is the snail? Oh, fire elemental. I did change the name. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, it's the same. They should probably go in a loop, since it would be strange if they go back and create another set of trail. I don't know. Anyway, I can set the trail size if I make another enemy that has a shorter trail or a longer. Let's say I make it 10. Yeah, it will kind of be all over the place now, I guess. No. Yeah, I can easily set the trail size. Whoops. Okay, let's say just 1. Or have I bugged it up now? Okay, let's start over. 2. Yeah, only 2 trail tiles, kinda. I don't know the correct words for this. Yeah, so that's it, kinda. There's nothing else special to talk about right now. Yeah, and these are pretty simple. I can set the speed of the bullet and how fast they're shooting. I can say, okay, this shoots every 0.25 millisecond, and you can see 4 bullets a second if I wanted that. I guess 0.5 would be manageable, maybe. Whoa. Oh, now I have to time it with the other guy. Oh, okay, it worked. But yeah, I can change the color of these and just have a version that shoots faster or slower, maybe. I don't know. Slower with faster speed. I don't know. Like, let's take this way down. Yeah, so I've been working on making stuff very easy to make and reuse. I mean, easy to use when placing them on the map, and it's easy for me to just reuse this enemy and change the variables. Like these guys have yeah, buff up the speed. I don't know. I feel like it should go faster. Anyway. A shorter pause. Ah, that's why. Oh, the speed is how fast it goes from one tile to the other, but the pause is how long it stays on one place. Yeah, so yeah, very easy to just reuse this and make a whole new enemy that moves faster. As well as the spikes. Charge time, open time, like it's open for a long time and goes down and up pretty fast again. Or just makes it unmanageable. Yeah, so yeah, I think that's it actually. So yeah, I will try to work harder and I will work more on this game in this week, I guess. So hopefully I will have created more interesting stuff, more enemies, maybe created more levels, and yeah, hopefully it will be good. So thank you very much for watching, and see you again next time. Goodbye.